Hello my creative friends, Olga Sabi here and welcome to new acrylic point video. Today I'm gonna do this triptych with the traveling funnel technique, and also I'm gonna do some blowing for my flow. So for the colors, this is gonna be mainly ocean inspired colors with few bright accents with warm colors, and this is gonna be color split. I am super thrilled about this piece. This is a commission for my client, and yeah, let's see how it works. As always, all the colors, names, brands, links are in the description under this video, so please check it out. And now let's get started. So I want to start by adding a secret message. So for my color split base, this is going to be white and light blue, and I'm just going to use this color for creating the secret message. And these words, they don't stay, they blend into the base, but they're not meant to stay, they just meant, I do them to put a special meaning in these paintings. So bliss, joy, love. And let's pour it out. And yeah, all of my colors today mixed with water only. All of these panels are 8 by 24 inches. This is a cradle wood panel primed with gesso, taped the sides, and colors are pretty fluid consistency. Okay, I think I didn't forget anything. Gonna pour this out. So the bottom gonna be blue, and the top is gonna be white. Okay, the base is done, at least for now. So let's do that funnel travel. First of all, I need to plan out the order of my colors, gosh. So I want it to be mainly dark blue, I'm using phthalo blue and violet, and some accents with turquoise, maybe a hint of red, violet, and gold. And I might add a few other colors. Yeah, just like that. So quite a few colors, but I want it to be mainly blue and violet. There is one interesting color, I have mixed it. So here I mixed some gold, some iridescent orange, and it turned out to be, I would say, like a caramel gold. I really love it. It's very, very warm gold. Looks yummy. So start like this. Yeah. Let's start layering those colors, and I don't mind if they overmix a hint. You know what? I think this should be enough color. There is plenty in a funnel. I might add more as I go. Trying just to release a little bit of paint at a time. Jumping funnel. This part looks stunning. Here I see that the colors are just not exactly as I want them to be. Let's play with this funnel a little bit. Let's create a few wiggly elements. Okay, so this one, stunning, although of course I'm gonna blow it out, but even just like that, all of my beautiful colors are hiding underneath for now. So let's tilt it a little bit. I think I'm just gonna add colors wherever I feel like I need them before I blow it out. So I think I'll turn this traveling funnel just into Dutch pour because it hasn't worked out exactly as I planned it. And that's completely fine. So we're just gonna blow it out. I think I will still keep a few elements of my traveling funnel, but mostly it's gonna be just beautiful blowout. It's just so expressive. I look at it and it gives me so much energy, but I feel like there are a few more areas that require a bit more work. So I don't like that there is too much green, the blue overmixed with gold here. And yeah, this part may be a little too heavy, but the center flow, oh gosh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's keep working on it a little more. I feel like I want to make this corner much lighter. There are no mistakes, just happy little accidents, right? According to Bob Ross. So let's see how it dries and I will be right back. Keep watching. I have changed my plan a lot as I was working on this beauty, and I can't be more thrilled and happy that I did. And I think this is why it's so important to always trust your creative intuition and just follow your heart, follow your creative mind, and not being scared to change things up. So for my acrylic pour paintings, when I work on cradle wood panels, I get asked a lot about my sides, how do I finish the sides with all the drips and paint, and actually it's very simple. So prior to painting, I tape them, and after the painting is dry and after I apply epoxy resin for my finish, I remove the tape and keep my size clean to combine this beauty of natural wood and fluid acrylics. I think these work really amazing together. And this triptych has very powerful uprising energy in it, and each panel has something very special. There are so many beautiful details, and really I can stare at this triptych for hours, but I really like this part a lot. Such a bright, contrasting accent in this pour, and all the gold of course sparks up against the light. And the top section here, to me it looks like colorful smoke. So very beautiful, with white veins going throughout. In this section I really like how the turquoise, it's iridescent color, how it pops from behind that gold and blue, and then it blends in this soft violet and white and blue, and I think this is super beautiful. Let me show you what's going on down here. Some yummy berries here. Those little pops of magenta look like berries to me. And here I also really like the top. It's perfect color balance here with a lot of rich, deep colors with this blue and violet, and some pops of turquoise and magenta, and the splash of gold. So expressive. Please let me know how do you like the outcome of my today's acrylic pouring video. As always, I'll chat with you in the comments down below, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel to be notified for all the latest and greatest acrylic pouring tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, take care and stay creative. Bye bye!